Okay guys, let's proceed the work with our user interface. So now the step we want to do is whenever we write a text, we want this placeholder label to disappear. Okay, we're going now to main.storyboard, and we first of all we make the we create the connection between this text view, because what we want to do is if the text view is not empty, then remove this label. If the text view is empty, then show the placeholder. This one, what we want to do. As you know from my another course, which is where we learn a full Swift with all the details, there is every label is having, or every object is having its own object, its own protocols. Okay. In order to access the protocol or the text which tracks is it empty or not, we need to make a delegate connection with the current view controller. Okay, select your text view, hold Ctrl, left mouse click, drag it to the yellow button here, release, and select delegate. Very good. When we go to connection inspector and select the text view here, we have a delegate connections. And another connection which we need to do of type of IB outlet is from this label. Call your assistant editor right here. Go to post view controller. Here I would recommend you to select the label from the left panel, so you won't select a constraint, let's say. Select your label, hold Ctrl left mouse click, drag it here. Placeholder label. Excellent. So we're now coming back to our post view controller. What we have done is we have made a two-step. Step number one, we create a delegate connection from the text view to current view controller, so we can access the protocol which tracks changes of the text view. And the step two, which we have done, we have created outlet connection from the label to current view controller class, so we can manipulate it, hide or show. Okay, so step one is not finished because we need to include here a text view delegate library so we can access the function which called text view did change. That is the one. This function tracks whenever text view gets changed. Okay. And in this protocol we can write if text view dot text dot is empty, then we placeholder label dot is hidden will be equal to false. Yes. Else, which means if the text view is not empty, placeholder label dot is hidden will be equals to true if the text view is not empty. If text view isn't empty, means there is some text in text view. If it is not empty, then show the label, otherwise hide it. Hide. Okay. We can now quickly build and run this. Oops, not that one. Very good. This is the behavior which we really wanted. Excellent. This is what really we wanted, guys. Very good. So this is how we manipulate, this is how we access the protocols of every single object. Well done, guys. Congratulations.